Why?
So that you can't see the wood.
Second coat takes away the the wood markings.
Yep.
I'm doing this all red.
Doing yours all red, huh?
Any coats? You gonna do a second coat? How many coats you gonna do?
Looking
One.
good.
You're just gonna do the one coat?
Is that advisable?
No.
No.
I don't even know what that means. I just said no.
Rocco, should he do 2 coats or 1 coat?
Huh?
Should he do 2 coats or 1 coat, Rocco?
2 coats.
Why?
Because if you do 1 coat, then you can see the wood. But if you do 2 coats, then you can't see the wood as well as the first coat because it's all covered in.
And why does that make it better?
So then,
So you
So
can't
that it
see the
doesn't-
wood.
so that it doesn't look like wood. It
So
just
you
looks
can't see
like
the wood,
painted.
Boogie?
Just
Yeah.
like this. This is my second coat.
But what if you want to see the wood grain?
Then you just do 1 coat.
And that's still okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to get the edges on that? Or are you
Yeah.
just going to do the top of it?
I'm doing all of them.
You going to do the edges? Okay.
Wait. It's just gonna be one side facing?
Well, you're going to have it all out in the weather.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do 2 coats on all of them. I'm just on the top, so.
We'll try and seal it with something too afterwards.
You know what? I'm wearing 2 coats.
2 coats? Sounds like a good idea, boss. You need some more red?
You need some more
Okay.
red.